Hello and welcome back. Today let's make a super tasty street style treat, Bun Shawarma with shredded chicken. Perfect for your snack cravings or even a light dinner. Here is the list of ingredients required. Let's start by marinating the chicken. Here I have taken 250 gram of boneless chicken. Mix it with curd, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste and all the dry spices. Cover and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Now heat oil in a pan and cook the chicken until it's fully done and lightly browned. Once the chicken looks something like this, you can turn off the heat and then let it cool completely. Then shred it using forks or clean hands or a knife. Now let's quickly make the filling. In a mixing bowl, add in the shredded chicken, chopped onions and chopped lettuce. Give this all a good mix with mayonnaise and tomato ketchup. If you want filling to be a little spicy, you can add in red chilli flakes or pepper powder. Now our filling is ready. We can slice the buns horizontally, toast them with a little butter on a hot pan until golden brown and crisp. Now add in the filling on one side and close the bun, and there you have it. Juicy flavorful bun shawarma with shredded chicken. Perfectly toasted, spicy, creamy in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the CookHub.